and it will be all speculation. I've tabled nothing yet. Discussions will start next week. I want to hear what the unions are bringing to the table, what they want to talk to me about, and I hope we can conclude a deal. But certainly I'm not going to be commenting on any speculation, because I'm sure there'll be many kites flown over the next number of days and weeks.
It could be in the region of that.
Well, it could be anything, but I'm not going to comment on speculation. We have to engage with the public sector unions in the same professional and thorough way that we did on Haddington Road, respectful, but in the context of what we can afford as a recovering economy now. We have gone through an extraordinary few years as a country, the most difficult and challenging economic period since our independence. We've now built a foundation for the future, and we're not going to put that at risk. But I'm very mindful that, public servants, doctors, nurses, guards, teachers, civil servants, local government workers haven't had a pay rise in 7 years, and in fact most have had 2, if not 3 pay cuts. So we need to ensure that we have a public service that works, that attracts the best and the brightest, but we can't certainly undo all the reductions in one fell swoop, and that's what I've explained to the public services.